This conference will now be recorded.
Fine. Before going to proceed, I would like to verify any doubts, any concerns. Okay, one of our colleague is getting error message. Prakash Purohit. Yeah,
Yes.
Prakash, have you
Yes.
joined? Okay.
Yeah.
Can I make you presenter, please?
Yeah.
Okay, fine. It is you have joined as a Shri, am I right?
Yeah, correct.
Okay, fine. So, can you share your screen?
Yeah. 1 minute.
Fine.
This error is coming. The initializer to Dynamic X application system configuration table through an app.
We'll see. So, what is the
this?
transaction you are doing? Vendor payment. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, let us see.
Anytime. In all, whenever I did any transaction, then it will give the error.
We'll see. We'll see. One single transaction will verify. Yeah.
Yeah. 1 minute only. I am deleting this one.
No issues. No issues. It's fine.
And about that generation of check, I am trying from my side, but this type of errors is coming, so that's why it gives me lots of trouble. So that's why I'm not able to check it
No.
again. Why?
Yeah.
Because otherwise, I will create new bank again from my side,
No,
and
no,
I will
we'll
test
verify.
myself.
No issues. So first
Yeah.
thing is whether you are able to post purchase order invoice, sales order invoice.
Correct. Purchase order invoice, I say post purchase order invoice, sales order invoice, journal, all transaction I post, no issue.
Okay, only vendor payment, customer payment, you are facing some errors, am I right?
Yeah, in customer vendor payments, check is not generating.
Okay, we'll see.
Okay, and this error is coming. I think the chassis error I search on web also, but some means on Google, and Google gives me answer that you need to clear chassis.
Cache, okay.
Yeah.
We'll see. Take the duplicate meanwhile.
Yeah. In the evening time, it is working very fine. But now in the morning time, okay.
Yeah. So now create new one, no issues. So leave it that whatever it is going on. If it is already running, leave it that one.
Okay.
Create new one.
Yeah. Okay. 1 minute only. Okay. This error is coming every time. That is
Okay, no problem. No? We'll see.
new.
Yeah.
Vendor payments.
Yeah.
Lines.
Yeah. Okay, select the vendor. So while selecting itself, it is throwing error message.
Yeah, at any time this error, anytime it will give you error.
But you are doing you are able to post vendor invoice, purchase order invoice, and sales order invoice, am I right?
Yeah.
Can you show me that purchase order invoice posted one?
Yeah, 1 minute only. Can I complete this one and then we'll
Yeah,
proceed?
yeah. Okay. So, leave it that invoice. Enter the amount, some amount.
Yeah.
Enter amount. Is this a installed from your guy only? Am I right?
Yeah.
Okay. So before going to
Shekhar is-
post, yeah. Before going to post, can
Yeah.
you click on the question mark in the top?
Here,
Click on that one.
help and support, correct?
Yeah, in the top.
This is
Click
the
on the
check payment.
top. We'll map it later. That one, leave it. Question mark. 1 second. Not that one. Next to that one, left side. Settings. User options. Usage data in the top. So reset the usage data. Top. All users. Don't do this one in the production. Am I right? Okay. Click yes.
Yeah.
Yeah. Click yes. So close the error message and close this also. And now once again open the same screen. Close the error message. Yeah. Now go back once again, same user options. Now go to the once again usage data. Yeah, wait.
Screen is
It will,
coming now.
no problem. Click on the another browser and come back to here. Close the error messages. Now go back to the first one, second one. Yeah, nothing. Now click on usage data. So click on all usage data in the last screen. Okay, close now. Close all these things. Now can you click on save once again? Save button. Are you getting the error message?
It's saving. Yeah, still. Okay, I'm closing this one.
No,
I
one
refresh
second.
it.
Save it once again. One
Yeah.
second, wait. The type initializer, the application, sys data catch. Don't close, wait. Data catch configuration table through an exception. So have you done anything, any I mean to say bad jobs, disturbance or something?
No, nothing. I didn't do anything.
So technically you have not touched anything, am I right? So go to the modules. It is because technical errors it is showing. Okay, system administration. Go to system administration. Yeah, click on administration. Last one, system administration. Okay, workspaces in the top. Optimization advisor, last one. Yeah. Okay, click on take action. So without production knowledge, don't do it. I mean to say, if you are in the like I mean to say client place or client environment, don't play with this one, because we need to show this one with the technical person. Select anyone downside. Select anyone. It is 11, 18, 20, 21 is there. Am I right?
Yeah. Where it is?
Why it is coming here? Okay, close. Why it is referring to GL? Okay, select downside.
18.
Select anyone. Say anyone. Select anyone.
Okay.
Now click on take action once again. Once again, take
Can I remove?
action. Yes, not removing. Take action only.
Okay.
Wait, it is progressing. Okay. It will take so much time. Cancel and select the third one. Yeah, anyone. Yeah, one by one. Take action.
History
Okay,
limit.
no problem. Leave it. Proceed. That's what. If you are doing the same thing in the production environment, you need to check with your
Yeah.
technical persons. Okay. Click OK.
Okay.
Yeah, click on that. Select
Can I?
anyone. Yeah, select and take action. Yeah.
Okay.
Close the error messages. And now close. So go to the vendor, not this one. Go to the purchase order. Or vendor account or any master. Can you open the master?
Yeah.
Any vendor account or customer account. Wait, it is progressing. It is, let it be processed.
This type of error, no one has arranged such type of errors to anybody.
No, this is a technical issues. I don't know why you are getting this kind of errors. This is technical errors. Accounts payable. Go to any vendor account. Something you have unnecessarily touched anywhere, somewhere else, something maybe. So if you are touching any screen, you are getting error message. Go to the vendor account, accounts payable, vendors, all vendors. Okay, select any one vendor, click on the transactions. So are you getting any errors? So there is no error, am I right? Still
Yeah,
getting a
yeah. Wait 1 minute only. I am doing something then.
otherwise close and open once again.
Yeah.
And are you getting the same error or not? Let me see.
I think
So,
now error is gone, maybe.
but this is only for transaction, but not data entry. This is
Yeah.
different thing. Now go to the vendor payment. Go to the vendor payment now. So you are getting here also. 1 second. Wait. Scroll back. So you are getting this also. So this is technical issue.
Okay.
So I cannot help you on this one because if you are touching anything, you are getting these errors.
Oh.
Okay, so you can Google it, you can try. Otherwise, you can check with Rajshekhar. He may help you on. Otherwise, he will reinstall the application because we don't have technical person, right? If you want to verify, technical person
Correct.
should be.
Okay.
So because if you are just opening the screen, you should not get error.
Yeah.
Okay, fine.
Correct.
Check with that guy. Maybe he may help you on this one. So if you remember like exactly what you did it, he will try to give you a solution at the earliest. Otherwise, what he will do, he will reinstall the application. Only one solution.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Fine. So let me make myself presenter.
And about that generate payments, I will try it again today, and then we will let you know if I any
But
error comes.
it will not work now because if it, until and unless the issue is cleared, then only you can verify further transactions.
Oh, okay. Okay.
So there is no use because it is hitting the the general error. Am I right? That error until and unless it is resolved, you cannot
Yeah.
proceed further.
Okay.
Okay, fine.
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome. Fine. So we learned last week. We learned from like company creation process. So small correction I want to tell you to everyone. Let me close or let me show you this one here from here. Let me take duplicate. Let me close this one. One small correction. So whenever you are doing I mean to say disposal of sales or disposal of scrap, disposal of sales and disposal of scrap, I have shown you like you need to map some more postings. Let me show you that one once again. Just give me a minute. Otherwise, let me close this one and let me open freshly. So I hope everyone is doing company creation process every day. Okay. So please do it. If you struck, please let me know. Company creation process is the most important process. You need to practice a number of times. Okay, let me close and let me open freshly. So try to do it in your company, new company, like whatever you have learned till now, everything should be configured in that new company which you are practicing. Okay, fine. Now go to fixed assets, fixed asset posting profiles. Only small correction I need to tell you. So here disposal of sale, in this acquisition value you need to map 180,100, and depreciation this year, depreciation previous year 180,200. Earlier I told you like this one is fine. No, not this one. You need to map acquisition value. This is, while acquisition we have selected this one, this should be nullified, and depreciation this year, depreciation previous year also should be updated with while doing depreciation, whatever you have mapped, that account you need to map it. Understood? Any confusion here? Last time I told you can map it 801100. That is not the correct one. This is the one actually you need to map it. Okay, only one small correction. Fine. I hope it is clear. Anyone, any doubts till now what we have learned? Anything? It is not only fixed assets. In the new company, whatever you have learned till now, you need to practice in the new company. Everything you need to practice in the new company. Okay, fine. Now today let us understand month-end process, year-end processes. Month-end processes and year-end processes. This is one of the important topic. So month-end processes means here the first one is foreign currency revaluation. Foreign currency revaluation you need to execute. If it is any exports and imports are there, if it is any exports and imports are there, you need to execute foreign currency revaluation. This should be executed from AP, AR, GL and cash and bank. For all modules you need to execute foreign currency revaluation. Next one is inventory closing. Inventory closing process. Inventory closing process you need to execute every month end. Inventory closing process. Pending customer invoices and vendor invoices. You need to finish it. Any pending customer invoices, vendor invoices. Of course, this is not your task. This is accountant's task. Accountant's task. So whoever is accountants, they need to do it this one, like foreign currency revaluation execution completion, inventory closing, pending invoices, customer invoices or vendor invoices you need to complete. Accountant need to complete. Provisional entries. So do you know provisional entries? Anyone? Provisional entries are payable entries. This is purely commerce. Anyone can give example for provisional entries and payable entries? Yes, rent account. Yes, correct. Rent account. Any more? Okay. Rent payable. Yeah. Rent payable. Electricity, rent, salaries. If you are paying salaries after 1 month, yeah. Tax also if there is something. So there are many provisional entries. Anyone has doubt on provisional entries? Whether you know or you don't know, please let me know. Please open up so that I will give you example, because yeah. So Surya, you don't know, fine. Non-commerce people, it is they don't know about this word at all. So let me explain you what is this. It is pure commerce word, but let us understand what is this means. Exactly, you're right, Sidhu. Current month expenditure paid. So suppose, take the example, I want to give you example here. Suppose rent amount I am paying on 5th of every month. 5th of every month I am paying rent amount. This rent amount is belongs to last month. Means suppose I am paying rent amount on 5th of November 2022 or 21. Give me a second. Okay, so 5th of November you are paying rent. This rent amount is belongs to 1st October to 1st October to 31st October 2021. So for this rent amount you are paying on November 5th. Then in the profit and loss account, suppose I'm generating profit and loss account or trial balance, I'm generating from Jan 1st to 31st October. Rent amount I have paid 50,000 on November amount. Whether it will include here, where it will include here, yes or no, anyone?
No, sir.
It will not include. Then it's whether it should be included or not. It should be included, am I right? Because that expenses is belongs to October month, it should show in this month, but it is not showing. Agree with me, everyone?
Yes, sir.
So now what I have to do, I can to reflect this balances, accountants what they will do, they will post rent account data to rent payable account credit. This is in balance sheet side liability. It will post as a liability, means I need to pay this much amount. Then it will reflect in the trial balance. This will be posted on 30th of October or 31st October. It will be posted. Okay, 30 or 31st, either one it will be entered. And if you want to do the reversal immediately, yes, they will enter one more transaction on 1st November 21. They will enter reversal entry. Then here it is reflecting the balance. I need to pay money. This is 2 series. This is 2 series. This is 6 series expenses. And you are doing reversal entry for the November month, in the November month. No, like payable cash or bank also we can do it. Yes, Sidhu. So if you are doing, suppose rent payable bank, something you are selecting, then you can do the payment directly to this account. Yes, that is also one function. But here just for non-commerce people, they can use this function simply. So this is rent payable 2 series and 6 series. So net effect is 0. this transaction can be posted. So that net effect is 0, but it is payable account means it is a liability you need to pay. So it is trial balance will be reflected. This is called provisional entries. Of course, this is purely accountants, they will do it. You being a functional consultant, you may or may not require, but you have to have little bit knowledge. That is the reason I'm discussing with you. Okay, so if you enter, this kind of transactions, you need to post a lot for the every month, payable entries or provisional entries. This will be posted in the system. So this is accountants, they know a lot about this provisional entries. If you are working as an accountant, you will understand a lot. So these transactions also should be posted at the month end. Any doubt in this? Okay, if it is completed, then you can generate report trial balance on 1st November. Usually in the first week of November, they will generate for this period. For this period, they will generate trial balance. So usually for any organization, they need to verify their healthy checkup of their company position. Their company position, healthy checkup, they need to do it. So they need to generate trial balance, balance sheet, P&L. At least the trial balance should be generated, and they will monitor the balances, what is going on in their company. Okay, so at the end of the year, you need to run this all processes, whatever it is there. And the new financial year should be created. New financial year should be created. What do you mean by new financial year? Suppose our company is like, suppose take the example, India based company, 1st April 21 to 31st March 22 it was created. Then it is April 21, May 21, like this, Jan 22, Feb 22, March 22 was created. Now I want to do year-end process. Now for April 22 is the opening balance, am I right? Next year, agree with me? Next financial year is April 22. Then what is the financial period, financial year for April 22? Can anyone tell me? For India, what is the next financial year?
1st April 22
yeah, 1st April 22
to 31st March 23.
31st March 23. This is the next financial year. Now in this there will be last period is 01 March 2022 to 31st March 2022. This is period 0, sorry, period 1. This is period 2. This is period 12. Now period 13 also will be there. Now period 13, it is 01 March, sorry, 31st March 22 to 31st March 22. This is period 13. And period 0 for this year is period 0 is 1st April 22 to 1st April 22, and period 1 is 1st April 22 to 31st April 22. Understood? So these periods will be there. Let me show you these periods in the system. So if you go to general ledger, ledger setup, ledger, this is the calendar. Fiscal calendar is FISCAL is the calendar for this company, USMF. So in this financial year is 2021 means period 1, period 0 is there. Look at this one. This is period 0. This is period 1, period 2, period 3. Like this, period 13, this one. Last one is period 13. So if you want to see that one, you can see from the calendars. So we have fiscal calendar. We are using the calendar called fiscal. So in this 2021 means opening period 0, it is 1/1/21 to 1/1/21. Next period 1 is 1/1/21 to 1/1/21 to 31st Jan 21. Like this it is there. So the last period, look at this one. This is Jan to December. It is available both. Understood? Any confusion here? Otherwise, one calendar I will show you. India based calendar. This one, April to March. So of course there are many calendars it was created. I don't know why it was created like this. Look at this one. This is opening and closing is this one. 31st March 2022 to this one. 12th period is for the entire month. Period 13 is only last day, and next year is, next financial year is April 1st 2022 to here. This is April 1st to 30th April, the period 1, but this is period 0. So now if you run year-end closing balances, then this in this 2021 financial year, last period is 2022 March 31st. Balances will be transferred from here to 22nd year April 1st. Got my point? Any confusion here? Balances will be transferred from here to here. So to transfer the balances, this financial calendar should be created. Any confusion here? You need to remember this one. New financial year should be created means this one, and balances will be transferred from here to here. New fiscal calendar year or new financial year.
Mr. Satya,
Yes,
I have
please.
one question.
Yeah.
Suppose 31st March is my year end closing. But in lots of or most of the companies are not doing on same day because of they need to do some adjustments and lots of things.
Yes. So this can
And
be
in New Year
executed.
means
This can
new
be
festive season.
executed.
And
This can be executed n number of times. You have executed one time, and after 1 month you have executed. Yes, latest balances will be updated. After 1 month I need, because on
okay,
31st March only I will not close the books. That is your intention, am I right?
correct.
So I may post on 10th of April, 15th of April. I will post some transactions on 30th of March. Yes, I can do. This is a business,
Yeah.
regular business I need to do. So this year-end process, you need to execute n number of times. N number of times.
Okay.
Because as and when it is required, I need to do. So while doing this year-end closing, so let me come to this year-end closing now. General ledger, collapse all, year end close, period close, year end close. So you can run this new calendar, run this calendar. Suppose in 2012 you need to execute for each and every company independently, but in D365 you can execute for multiple companies at a time. You can, your wish, if you want to only run only one company or multiple companies, you have option. In 2012 it is only one. You can select only one, means it will execute for only one. But here you can select multiple also. Now see, while doing this one, if you want to do undo previous process, means whatever it was posted earlier, it will be reversed all the transactions and a new transaction will be posted. Undo the previous close. Undo previous close means, suppose earlier the balance is, take the example 110180, the balance is 5000. Now you have entered some transactions, now the balance, new balance is 6000. New balance is 6000. Now there are two options. You can remove this option and you can get the considerable latest balance 6000. Otherwise, if you want like this, if you want to do the reversal this one and you want to update 6000 balance, then you can have option to undo previous close. Otherwise, if you are keeping like this, then what system will do, it will update 5000 earlier plus 1000 separately, one more transaction. Understood? If you are not selecting this checkbox, then additional balances will be updated as one more transaction. Then it will show you 6000 and 5000. If it is, this checkbox is not selected, undo previous process, previous close. Are not selected. If you select it, if in case if you are selected, then it will show you the 5,000 will be reversed and 6,000 will be posted with the new transaction. Make sense? That is your wish. You need to take the decision whether you want to do the undo the reversal, undo the previous close. You can do this one. It will be reversed and new transaction will be posted. Otherwise, if you keep like this, the amendments will be posted. Simply you need to select the financial year for which year you want to do it, whatever the year it is, you need to select, and you need to select the voucher. And if you want, always here it is a batch job. It will execute as a batch job. If you click OK, then automatically the opening balances will be updated here. As a, it will come closing balances to become a opening balances for the reports, all the reports. I'm showing you one report, trial balance. It will show as a opening balance. So while running this one, while executing this process, suppose the balances are available in the demo data, the balances are available in 2016. Now you are running in 2021. It will not show the balances. You need to complete 2017 balances, because this closing 2016 closing will be posted as opening balances here. Am I right? And 2017 opening balances, 2017 closing balances will be become opening balances for 2018. Like this you need to run for every year, then only you will get 20 over 21. If you are, suppose you have not executed this one and you have not executed 2019, 18, 19, 20, and you are running this one, it will not show the balances because previous month balances are not there, previous last day is not there, it will not bring the balances. Understood? Any confusion? System will not bring the balances from 31st December 2016 to here. It will not bring from here to here. These balances will become, if you run this one, then it will become 1st of January 2017. You need to run once again, like that. You need to execute and balances will become here in the trial balance for the latest year. So let me execute for the previous year whether it is available or not. If it is available, it will show you closing balances for the 2022. It is not there. So when it is available in 2016.
Sir,
Yes, yes, please. Yeah. So in 2016 balances are there. Now 2017, let me verify. If it is not exist, then you need to run for 2016 to 2017. So 17 it is available, closing balance available. So let me verify 18. I think 18 it will not be there. So 18 is not there. So you need to run for 2017 first. Then only it will come the balances. Let me go here, 17 for USMF. To year 2017, I am running a process. 2017-1, something number voucher series I have entered. Click OK. So batch job is executing. It will take some time. Now let me go to the batch job and let me verify. Year and close. So while doing this year and close, we have options like you can select balances for the dimensions wise also. Okay, dimension wise also, if you want to transfer, yes, you can select yes or no, whatever you want. So let me go to system administration, batch jobs. So year end should be executed, it should be completed. Oh, I'm sorry, it will not be executed because services.msc it was disabled. You know that one, because we have stopped this services. Now let me enable. And let me start. So this batch job may take another 2-3 minutes. So please bear with me, 5 minutes. I'll show you the results. So we don't have alternative this one because to get the good performance, we are enabling and disabling this batch job. So if you go to this batch jobs, definitely it will not be started. Until and unless this job is not completed, it will not show the balance. Okay, let it be progress. Let me complete this one. Now it is starting. Yeah, it is running now. Most probably it is in few seconds it will be running. It is starting now. It is not process. So we don't have alternative. Actually, in real-time scenario, it is not required. It will be executed continuously. This batch job, it will be running. Yeah. Now it was completed. Let me verify. Fine. It is running now. Now let me verify. Run close. So run fiscal year. See, it is now executing. It is 0%. So for you, whenever you are testing, try to execute the first batch job and then try to run this process. Is it running or not? Otherwise, I will go to the batch job. Change the status. Canceling. And I will execute once again. Let me execute once again this process. Select checkbox. So bear with me for 2-3 minutes. It will be shown in 2-3 minutes only. So select this USMF, click OK. Select the financial year 2017. Okay, voucher number is 2017-002 something. I'm clicking OK. Now, if you verify the batch job, close, contains close. It will show you the jobs. Now it will be running. This is cancelled. Now this is running. It may take 1 or 2 minutes time. It will be completed. Once it is completed, you can see the balance in the trial balance as a opening balance. That's it. Simple. But report is simple, execution is simple, but it will take some time. Actually, some other batches are running already. It is pending batches. It will execute. Now it is executing. Look at this one, 60%. So it is going back to and fro. No issues. It will be completed in 1 minute, not more than that. Please wait for another 1 or 2 minutes only, not more than that. Once it is completed, what it will be here. If you execute trial balance for 18, it will show you opening balances. It will show you opening balances. Okay, we need to complete this batch job. And it will transfer only balance sheet items. It will not transfer profit and loss account. It should come 100%. So still it is executing. This should be completed 100%. It should be ended and 100%. Then only it will show you the balances. taking so much time. So execution is not, it will not take some time, but I mean to say your task is only one small minute, but batch job execution is only, it is taking some time. Still executing. I'm sorry, it is taking too much time.
Sir, for balance sheet, this is the one. For what about if you want P&L, profit and loss?
For
What do
P&L
you say?
account, it will not be transferred, am I right? So it was transferred now. For 2018, it is transferred. See, in reality, what happened? Balance sheet items, balances will be transferred. But even like P&L accounts should not be. Look at this one. In P&L account, there is no balance. Look at this one. It will not show any P&L account balances. Why? P&L is net profit. It will go to net profit. P&L balances will be transferred to net balance as a net profit or loss, and it will be transferred to retained earnings. Agree with me? Up to only 3 series it will be there. So 6 series
Yes,
there
sir.
is no balance. So the reason behind, whenever you are running this one, it is retained earnings. The profit will be transferred to retained earnings. From their retained earnings, you need to transfer, you need to distribute that profit to investors. Whoever is invested, that it will be transferred to the investors. Got it? Any doubt in this? So the batch job may be completed, otherwise it will not show. Yeah, it was completed now. So it will show you the balances. So P&L accounts 5 series, 6 series, 7 series, opening balances will not be transferred. That net balance will be transferred to retained earnings, whatever you have now. Any doubt in this? Any concerns, any doubts, please? So for USMF, we have executed today. That is the reason it is showing date of last year end close is executed on today. For the year 2017, I have executed, but I have executed today. That is the reason balances are coming here. Yeah, any doubts, please? Anyone?
Sir, can go to notepad, please.
Yeah.
Inventory closing. Can you just give a glance for that?
Inventory closing is a big subject which we have discussed already in one of the topic. I have explained in detail more than 1 hour. You can refer my previous video. It is a very big subject. It is not like small one. It is like a valuation, inventory valuation, FIFO, LIFO, weighted average.
Okay, okay, so got
Right?
it, got it.
Yeah,
Okay,
that one
thank
only.
you.
That one only. Okay, so profit and loss accounts, balances, net balance will be transferred to retained earnings. And further, this retained earnings amount is a profit. That amount will be distributed to investors. Sorry, Sidhu, anything to discuss? You are telling like a balance sheet. So balance sheet items will be transferred to the next year. Profit and loss account, net balance will be transferred to retained earnings. So retained earnings is a part of equity. So which is whatever you have mapped here, this account it will be transferred. So while running this one, you have selected already this year and this. So if you don't want the previous one, if you do some transactions in the previous month, some more transactions you have posted, then whether you want to delete and recreate or amendments you need to update, you can select the checkbox. Okay, any more questions, please? If nothing, then we can wind up the session for today. I will recap once again, one time, what is this year end close, and then we'll continue with another topic, consolidation process and elimination process. Consolidation and elimination process. So another 2 to 3 weeks, we are going to close the sessions. I'm going to complete the sessions. You need to practice and come back to me. Yes, please, Surya. Anything to
Sir,
discuss?
sir,
Yeah.
FA is done, huh?
Sorry.
With this, FA is done, huh,
Fixed
sir?
assets.
Fixed asset.
Yeah, fixed assets. If you have any doubts, I will give you clarifications.
Okay, okay. I'll get back to you tomorrow, sir, on that.
Sure, definitely. Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Thank you.
So verify
Sir,
and
what
let
about
me
the
know.
cash and
Yeah.
bank management thing?
So cash and bank management, we have learned about check returns also. Am I right? So
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
any topics? So we will discuss tomorrow morning. Any topics you would like to understand, I will write down the pending points and we'll discuss. Okay, Surya?
Sure, sure, sir.
Fine. We'll note down one by
Thank you.
one point. So another 2 to 3 weeks is the timeline. So if it is extended, I don't have any concerns. I will extend it. We'll write down one by one topic tomorrow and then we'll discuss. Fine, Surya. Okay. Fine. Anything? Any more, please? Okay. If nothing, then we can wind up the session for today. We'll connect once again tomorrow morning, same time, 8 a.m. IST. See you all. Bye.
Um,
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
Thank you, sir.